clean. Thank you, Bubby. No. No! This is just a catch and bring back toy. Not a, oh, I got it! Destroy it! Good girl. Uh-oh. You getting it? You get it? You getting it? Bring it here. Bring it here. And it's clean. Alright, let's see if we can get you to dive in the snow. Yuck. You're flicking slab on me.